devastation that happens to these women after being raped it's horrible.
And that is why this Tennessee lawmaker is proposing a high-tech way to make sure victims of rape can get justice no matter how long it takes. Good evening, everyone. I'm Bob Mueller. The state of Tennessee has a statute of limitations for rape. Depending on the crime, it can be as little as 8 years. But a Tennessee lawmaker with a personal connection to the crime is proposing a way to lift those statutes of limitations. News 2's Joseph Pleasant explains.
For the victims of sexual assault, the emotional scars can last forever. But in Tennessee, prosecutors only have a limited amount of time to charge their attackers. It's 8 years for rape and 15 years for aggravated rape.
The devastation that happens to these women after being raped it's horrible.
State Senator Mark Green of Clarksville has seen the effects of rape personally. The senator is also an ER physician who has treated the victims in the aftermath. He's worked in Tennessee and with the military. In fact, he treated Saddam Hussein in the days following his capture. He's proposing a law that would lift the statute of limitation on rape.
You can charge the DNA, and that stops the clock on statute of limitations, allowing the district attorneys to continue to try the case.
Other states call it a DNA exception. Essentially, if authorities are able to develop a DNA profile for the attacker, they then get a John Doe arrest warrant charging that profile with the crime.
Your DNA profile is specific to you, and once we have that, we're essentially charging the person. We just don't know the person's name.
Green hopes it helps bring closure to more victims by giving law enforcement more time to successfully prosecute their attackers. Right now, the vast majority of victims never see their attackers charged. In 2011, the TBI reported that of the 2,029 reported forcible rapes, only 395 arrests were made. That's only around 20%.
So these women have to carry that throughout their lives without ever even having any closure.
The bill has passed committee and is waiting for a full Senate vote, as is its companion bill in the House. At the Capitol, Joseph Pleasant, Nashville's News 2.
Senator Green says 28 states have similar laws that allow prosecutors to charge a DNA profile with rape until the person can be identified.